Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the fuel cap on your Nmax scooter. It's a straightforward process, but knowing the correct steps ensures smooth operation every time. We will cover using the ignition key to activate the release and then how to properly open the cap itself. This guide will help you refuel your scooter quickly and efficiently, getting you back on the road in no time. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, ensure your Nmax engine is completely off for safety. Take your ignition key and insert it firmly into the main key slot. Once the key is in, gently turn it clockwise to the specific position marked Open or Fuel. This action prepares the fuel cap mechanism for release. It's a crucial first step that sets up the next part of the process, so make sure the key is fully engaged and turned correctly. With the key still held in the open position, gently but firmly press the key inward. You should feel a slight click, and the fuel cap cover will pop up a small amount. This indicates the latch has been released. Now, simply lift the cap fully upwards with your hand to expose the fuel tank opening. You are now ready to refuel your Nmax. Remember to keep the key in the ignition until the cap is closed. Here are a few important tips for maintaining your Nmax fuel system. Always make sure your engine is completely off before attempting to open the fuel cap. When you're finished refueling, push the cap down firmly until you hear a clear click, ensuring it's securely latched. Also, avoid overfilling the tank. Leave a small air gap to prevent fuel expansion issues. Following these simple guidelines will help keep your Nmax running smoothly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.